Alright, so seemingly one thing after another. I went to put a battery tie down on. It's not even into anything, is it? Oh, that's broken. Don't worry about that. That's not broken. Put the battery tie down on, and it doesn't even fit. It's curved, and it's not supposed to be curved, and it doesn't fit over the battery, and as is life. Oh, jeez. Everything. Can I just print another one of these? Oh my gosh. Or not. For those of you that do this on your Jeep, probably better off just buying the whole thing. I'm sure it would have been about $5 more. Aced it. Don't mind that. Don't worry about that. Placed a few things, kind of small things that I don't know why. Don't ask me. It was rubber before, it's rubber now. There's no difference. I just saw it. It's like 50 cents. I replaced it. Then I came over to the door and started replacing weather stripping. So ripped off all the old stuff. This side actually was really easy to get out. You just basically pull it out, pry it out. I mean, not easy, but you can pry it out. The other side was not so easy to get out. It had the inside of it. It had little, can't really see them. There we go. Little, I don't know what you call that. Burrs? Had little burrs. So they were a lot harder to get out. I basically just ripped it off and then pulled the burrs out later with some flathead screwdrivers. So put that back in. It's nice and, you know, semi even. What do you expect? Now put this one back in. It's so much nicer looking. Cleaned it off. Everything's good to go. There we go. Look at there. Now the sill of the window is actually a sill, so I can stop getting water in my window. Isn't that nice? I may actually have window track weather stripping too. Let's find out. See, that may be this, what that looks like. Where's the pump? Yeah, there's one. Seems like it's probably gonna be impossible. Wonder. Look, I'm just saying, it's worth a try. There's worse things you could put in your door, I guess. Moment of truth. At least it won't rain in, but there you go. Both weather strippings down here. One up around the top, going down. That's good to go. I don't think I bought this one because I thought they were okay. I'll probably just clean them off and see if that works. A little bit better looking. I'm guessing that goes underneath that. Yeah, that's better. Love it. Don't worry about the window being dirty. Or the WD-40 all over everything. It's just a rubber preserver, that's what I call it. Speaking of rubber preserving, let's spray some WD-40 on that. I'm just kidding, don't do that. Maybe that'd be better. There we go. Now I can see. Well, I'm gonna call that a day. At least 2 things done. That's kind of my hope with this project. If I can, spiderwebs everywhere. If I can do at least a couple things a week. Oh yeah, that handle doesn't work. 2 or 3 things a week, I'll have it done in a couple months, no problem. Because that works 100% of the time when you're working on cars. Thanks for watching though. Am I sideways? Straight up and down.